this pinky, dinky, thingy, ribbony, thready, whatever it's called. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week. Today, as you can see from this bad boy picking up the camera, we're going to do another envelope punch board. I have done a couple of weeks ago a project using the envelope punch board, and I have asked on that video if you guys were interested if we make like not as such as a series, but we do a lot of project in the next coming weeks with the envelope punch board, because if you are like me, I bought it, I barely use it. It's good to use up what we have. So the response was amazing. Thank you so much. Honestly guys, pretty much every single one of you said, yeah, let's share some more projects, because apart from envelopes, we don't tend to use that for something else. So I thought today I'm going to showcase this paper here. This is part of my Pretty in Pink, and we're going to create a box, because with the envelope punch board you can do so many different boxes. So this project is amazing to showcase this paper. So the Pretty in Pink is at page 10 of my catalogue, and it includes 10 pages, a selection of background, fussy cuts and embellishment. My favorite page of this kit is this one here with the butterflies and the doily. I already done a video with that. In this kit you get 2 pages of fussy cut butterflies, a few backgrounds, and 4 pages with like cards based that you can do either greeting cards or junk journal cards, some embellishment for your journals, for some pockets, etc. So I need you guys to print this paper on the thickest cardstock that you have. Can you hear it? This is proper thick. I think this is 220 GSM. It's really thick. So the starting point is 6x6 paper. So we got to trim this. Let me move this out of the way onto a 6. In fact, I don't need the extension. Oh no, I do need the extension, but I just want to make sure that this here is kind of centered in the paper. So I think if we do something like that should work. This trimmer is from Stampin' Up. It's one of my favorite trimmer. I have used several trimmer in the past, and I find this being the best. I'm going to chop the poppy, and I don't really want to do it, so I think I sacrifice the rose there rather than chop a poppy. But I think I will still probably have to do it. Let's have a look. Yeah, half of it is gone. And then we need to do 6 on this side as well. So I think I'm going to chop a tiny little bit from that. Yeah, and that is your 6x6. Okay. So then we get our envelope punch board. Apologize in advance. Apologies because I'm going to make quite a lot of noises. So we need 2 measurements. Can you see? Yes, you need 2 measurements, 2 and 4. That is it. So you position the paper on your thing stuck in my nails, on your 2 inches, and then on the bottom here you get your centimeters. So you get your imperial size and your metric size on the bottom. So position it on your 2 marks there, punch and score, and you do this on all 4 sides. So do 2 first, and then we move it into 4. Okay, punch and score, and then we do this, as I said, on all 4 sides. what we're going to do, guys, we're going to round the corners as well. Okay, thank you very much, envelope punch board. I will see you not next week, probably the week after. And now we're going to, oh no, I need that. I've got another one. Now we're just going to enforce the score line. Now, because I'm using a very, very thick cardstock, just make sure you very, very carefully finish them all. What is the plan for today? Oh, guys, I forgot to say, I just want to say thank you to every single one of you that contributed, giving my 3 new plans some fabulous names. I got so many names came through the comments, and I'm indecising between 2 sets of names, but I got an idea. But yeah, thank you. They are now on the windows. I'm just turning around and watching them. They're super cute. So what we do, guys, decide, because it's the same on each side, whatever you're looking at, we need to chop 2 on the bottom here, and we do exactly the same on the opposite way. So you can do those 2 and do the opposite there, or do those 2 and do the opposite there. As long as you follow the opposite way, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we got 2 options now. So we almost finished with this box. So you can glue it like that, and then you close it like that. Okay, so that's the cute little box. Look how nice the paper looks like. Or we can do like a close up on the top, so we can put in hole and put a ribbon through. I think I'm gonna go for that. So let's make some holes. Just making a hole on each point. Okay. And the beauty of this, guys, that you can make this, you see how it took, what, 7 minutes and 56 seconds, including me chatting about. So you can make these boxes, stack them like this, and leave it in your craft room, and as you need them, you come here and pull them all together, and it takes 20 seconds. So that's the beauty of this project. But we're going to put some glue first. So you just need to put a glue on the tabs here. You can use dry adhesive, but because it's quite a thick cardstock, I'm just going to take the time to make sure that every side is glued down completely. Okay, so the box is made. I just simply glued the 2 tabs in there, and it's so strong. You can put like sweets or mini soaps or anything that you guys want. Some ephemera. You can put some chocolate truffles. You can put Ferrero Rocher. They are amazing for Christmas. So I'm using this pinky, dinky, thingy, ribbony, thready, whatever it's called. How do you call this in English? Because it's like a ribbon. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, please. I suppose it's a rib. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm just put this in there. I'm just putting this through the holes. I don't think it matters how you do it, but as long as it keeps it shut. And one here. And as I said, you can make this in advance and then put them up as and when. It's like, it looks like a dome, I suppose. No, I don't think I'm going to do a ribbon. I think I'm going to do a bow. Sorry, I think I'm just going to put a little knot and leave it like that. Being very naughty. I mean, you can go over the top. I've got a butterfly here on my desk. You can go all over the top and then put embellishments. I've got some 3D flowers here from the lovely Woolly Steph. In fact, that's quite pretty actually. Maybe one's, I don't know if, I think I'm going to put a butterfly there. I don't know when I cover. Yeah, because that's the front. Yeah, I'm going to put, yeah. Sorry. What did I do? When did I do this? Oh, yes, I remember. This one, do you remember, guys, when we played with my die cut and I made a base of these butterflies with my... we did a project with the photo paper, hence why she's shiny. And then I just played with my die cut and made tons of these butterflies, and I think she's the only one left now. Yeah, I think I won't use those for now. Yeah, pretty little box. Okay, I will have more envelope punch board project coming up soon in the next couple of weeks. I won't do it all together, so it gives you time, guys, to catching up. But yeah, super cute boxes. Takes what, couple of 10 minutes to make. Super fun, super cute. You can do anything on top, you can decorate them as you wish, but that's an idea. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If yeah, I don't know what I was saying. I don't know what I was saying. But thank you so much for watching. I don't know. Sorry, guys. It's just one of those days today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And until next time, stay safe. Oh, this is what I was thinking. If you wish to purchase any of my kits, I will put the link down below. And I'll take you straight to the Pretty Pink paper. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Super cute. Right, that's what I was telling you. If you wish to purchase it, I will put the link down below. Thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna go have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well.